This is Willis Talk, bringing you a placard that is located near the carousel on State Street. This building was constructed on the site of the Tiger Engine Firehouse No. 2, organized in 1869, continuing as a volunteer organization until 1893. When the city created a paid fire department. A garage with concrete floors was featured in this building through the 1920s, testifying to its early use for auto storage and repair. Like and subscribe, and if you want to see something else that you might know that's in Salem, put it down in the comment. Willis out.